Alright, what is going on, everybody? Today we are back at my parents' house in Detroit, and we are working on the faithful E46 330i. Today we're going to do two kind of simple, kind of intermediate level fixes on the car. If you guys can see, the headliner is totally sagging in the back, so that's not going to do. Basically, what the plan for today is to take that headliner off, and I'm just gonna put a link in the description to a really well done tutorial about how to get the headliner off on this car. It would take me hours, maybe even days, to put up a full tutorial as good as that one, so you guys might as well just watch that. But anyways, we're gonna take the headliner out. I'm gonna assess the carpet, or excuse me, the fabric, see if we want to reuse the stock one or maybe put some black or something like that on it. The second issue is that the sunroof is broken on this car. And if you haven't noticed before, the hood is actually green and not original. That was because, unfortunately, on my way back home, literally the night after I bought this, apparently the hood wasn't latched all the way. And it flew up, it smashed my sunroof, and it bent the hell out of the hood. Luckily, my windshield is actually perfect, did no damage to that, so I'm super happy. Anyways, we're going to get the headliner down. We're going to get this sunroof mechanism out. I actually have a whole spare one right here, but the mechanism doesn't work, so I might have to do some swapping of parts. But regardless, sunroof headliner coming out. Stay tuned, it's going to be a good video, so stay along. Peace. Alright guys, so as you can see, there's officially no headliner in the car. I just put it over here. Honestly, really easy, really straightforward, which is not something you can say about a lot of BMW stuff. Again, the video I linked is really good. That kid knows what he's doing. So the next step is to take off a bunch of 10 mils around this sunroof mechanism, and then that'll fall down, and then we just simply put the new one in, and that's it for the sunroof basically. Got this vinyl and fabric paint. Painted everything in the interior to match the headliner. Pretty damn good, I think so. Alright, so the headliner is officially in. The only things that are tan now are the visors, this little piece, and the door handles, but overall, definitely an improvement. The black looks good. A-pillars came out decent. Unfortunately, some of the glue kind of started to come through a little bit, but you really can't see it unless you get in perfect direct light. But the A-pillars are matching black, as I just said the C-pillars are, and yeah, definitely adds a nice little bit of sportiness and darkness to the interior. I definitely am gonna try and find, like, maybe the M3 has some black stuff here instead, but anyways, this looks good for now. This is a cheap car, so I don't really care. Looks good, and yeah, the sunroof is in. I don't know if I already mentioned that, but we did replace the whole sunroof mechanism. It's all good, no problems at all hooked up right, all the lights are working, so overall pretty easy process. I don't know if I'd recommend that you try it yourself. It's kind of it's not a huge job, it's just trying to get the finish perfect with like this kind of fabric that doesn't have a lot of play in it is kind of hard, so maybe just consider re-gluing down your stock headliner instead. That would be a cheaper alternative if yours isn't ripped or anything. But yep, that's the sunroof and headliner job on this car. Really the only other issue that it has, so yeah, with that done, we're gonna work on the next mod, the next video. But thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.